Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make taskbar smaller in Windows 11. Now currently Windows does not allow you to change the size of your taskbar, but in order to do this we're going to be using Windhawk. In order to have Windhawk, you can go over to your web browser, search for Windhawk, and you'll find the app. Go ahead and install it and you have it like this. Now in Windhawk you can go ahead and browse for mods, but under featured mods we have taskbar height and icon size. We can click on it, details, and here you can see taskbar height and icon size. Of course, you can go ahead and search for it if you want, but we have it already, and you can see examples right here, and this is what it's supposed to do. So you can go ahead and click on install. Now you will have this pop-up, which is pretty standard, proceed with care, and it says malicious mod can damage your computer or violate your privacy and all of that. However, this is a regular message from Windows whenever you're trying to install mods from Windhawk. We're going to accept the risk and install because we can trust this particular mod. And now that it's been installed, we can go over to settings, and currently you have icon size, taskbar height, and taskbar button width. We're going to try to work with the height, and we're going to switch it to about 30. Click on save settings, and you will notice the difference right here. And you can see our taskbar has been shrunk into a different size. Do take note that we made an edit on the taskbar height, and you can see the icons are not really aligned, so you can go ahead and change the icon size. If we change the icon size to 20 and click on save settings, the icon sizes will be changed respectively. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.